There's nothing wrong with having extra black shoes. I shop for an occasion that is not yet about to happen. My wife said your problem is you love opening new packages, and that's why you like to buy new things. There might be a little bit of truth in it. Team Fullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the of my canal. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So I pick up 2 pair of shoes from Zalando and I want to come and do unboxing. I'm also going to show you guys how me wearing the shoes on. I'm going to do like a testing for you guys. There's nothing wrong with having extra black shoe at home. I really love having some extra shoes. Like, I don't know, like I shop for an occasion that is not yet about to happen, but when it eventually happened, I already have something to wear. Yeah, that's me. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Like, I come across a video on TikTok. I don't know if it was on TikTok or on Instagram. I can't remember. I think it was on Instagram that this girl says those people that like to stay at home, or something like those introverts that like to stay at home but then like to shop. And I was just so laughing. I was like, are you talking about me? Did someone tell you about me? You know, I kind of have this guilty conscience, you know. But anyway, it is what it is. Man, gotta do what you gotta do. I just love having new stuff. I love opening packages. That's what my wife always said. My wife said your problem is you love opening new packages, and that's why you like to buy new things. I know how true that is. There might be a little bit of truth in it anyway. So I pick up 2 pair of shoes from Zalando. One is a boot, the other one is just a normal black shoe. This boot, actually, they have the brown and the black. The brown, they don't have it in my size anymore. It's sold out, but it's still in my wish list. I might end up getting it if they do have my size. So, and I also pick up this other shoe from Zalando as well. This is just a normal black shoe. This one came in a different package because I got this like a suit. It's not a suit, like a set, a skirt, a top, and a blazer. So I ordered everything with this shoe. So it came in that package. I will come back on another video, show you guys that set, but for now let's just talk about the shoes. So let's start with this one. This is just a normal black shoe. I got size 41. You guys know most of my shoes I get 41, and this reason why I love this brand, their shoes are very, very comfortable walking in, and they also have this like a air system where, like, you know, it's very, very comfortable walking in. I really, really love their shoes. Just came in this normal packaging. I love this is what I love about their shoe. Like the hair can go through, and I love that, and it's very, very flexible. It's very comfortable. Nowadays when I'm buying shoe for the comfort. Most of my shoes don't have like those tiny heels I used to love back then when I was in my 20s, early 20s. Now your girl is I'm in my early 30s. I'm gonna be 32 this year, June. By the grace of God, the guys doing 32. So I want to wear something comfortable. And sometimes when I'm going out with the kids, when we're going for like a date night, or I'm going out with my son, I still want to be able to look good even I'm with my kids. So I want to be wearing comfortable shoes, because sometimes those shoes that have this kind of heels, I can't wear those shoes when I'm with the kids, because you're going to be running, you're doing stuff with them. But shoes like this is very comfortable for me to wear going out with my kids. I can be running in it, you can do 1 or 2 things in it, and I really, really loved it. So most of my shoes that I'm picking up right now, they have more of a chunky heel, and I really, really loved it. I don't know, maybe because I'm getting old. Because I'm getting old or what, I don't know, but I just love it. So I pick up this one. I really love this. I'm also going to show you guys me trying it on, how it look on my face. I'm really, really excited for this. I love it. I don't know, I have so many black shoes. Yeah, I have black shoes. This is not the only black shoe I have. And now let's unbox this one. This boots is something I have been eyeing from Zalando for a while now. At first, I'm destroying the package. I am destroying. I will put the price of this, the one I just opened for you guys, on the screen as well. So this, like this shoe, if you guys know this brand, you guys know this is not my first time ordering something from this brand. I love, when I say I love this brand. Their shoes are so good. They're so good quality. They're so easy to clean. They're so easy to maintain. And I love it. I have like 3 or 4 boxes from this particular brand, if I'm not mistaken. I really, really love their shoes. So yeah, now we got another one. Let's open. It's those like a really, it's like a Henkel high boots, if that's the way to pronounce it. I really, really, really love it. Okay, this heel is a little bit, not too, compared to that one, not too chunky, but also something you can wear with you can wear going out with your kids. I love it. Like, I love the slick. This is so beautiful. Like, I'm just like, I'm already imagining in my head what I'm going to wear with these boots, how I'm going to be looking, how I'm going to slay. I just love it. Like, I love it. Like, I'm a visionary person. Whenever I am buying anything so far, I already have a vision in my head how I want it to look. So I don't buy things because I want to buy them. No, I buy things because I already vision it, how I'm going to wear it, how I'm going to style it, multiple ways for me to style it. I've already think of every single thing before ever I bought it. So this one, I've already know I can style it with jean, with skirts, with dress. I've already played it. I've already even picked up dresses. I already bought some dresses that I know that are going to pass with these shoes. Like, trust me, the way I plan in my head, it's just somehow crazy, as my friends always says, but it's good. So I really loved it, and it's really beautiful. And they also have the same shoe in the brown color. It's like this really nice brown, but it's sold out. They don't have it on my size, but I still have it in my wish list. Like, whenever my size drop, they should just send me an email and I'm ready to pick it up. So I really loved it, and I feel like this is such a beautiful, you can wear this in the winter, summer. Of course, summer in Holland is not like summer in Africa, so definitely you can wear this in the summer in this country. You can wear it in the winter, you can wear it any season of the year. And I just love how slick it is. I love the fact that it's no brand name, there's no details. Of course, at the bottom you can see the name of the brand at the bottom, and also on the zipper lock you can see the name. But overall, I just love how slick and beautiful it is. It's super nice. So now I'm going to test the shoes. I'm going to try it on, and you all can see what it looks like. I'm so excited. I can't wait to style this. Like, I don't know, I buy stuff and I'm like, where am I even going? Sometimes I'm like, where am I going? We're going out. Just that I'm not somebody who likes to post everywhere I go. There's certain places where I go, it's just me, myself, and I just don't want everyone to know where I am. So sometimes I'm a little bit low key on places I go. That's why most of my pictures is mostly at home. I make pictures at home before ever I leave the house. So where I'm going somewhere, I don't really post what I'm doing, where I am. I just like to hold it that way. But definitely the summer is coming, the fall is coming. You guys are going to see pictures. I'm going to be posting. I'm trying to renovate my backyard so I can have space where I can be posting pictures anyhow, because I like taking pictures at home before leaving. But anyway, let me try this boots, and I can't wait. I haven't tried it yet. I have not even putting it on yet. So let's try it. Amifullest. I'm so excited. I am in love with you both. Okay, there's nothing in here. But this one is well packaged. Okay, let me get this hair out of the way. I don't even have any elastic with me. I already have my Primark socks on. I mean my Shein, the socks I pick up from Shein. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Wow, this is so cute. This is cute. This is so beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. Like, yes. Can we go? Ping. Ping, ping. Look at my fat bum bum. But anyway, I really love it. It's so beautiful. It's really, really nice. I love it. I can't wait. I cannot wait to wear this. This is just so beautiful. This is so cool. This is so nice. Ding, 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 ding. So this is what this one looks like. I always have a very cold. My feet are always very, very cold. I don't know why. I have to go to bed with socks on every single day. Oh, this is like my church shoe. This is my church shoe. This is only for church, for events. This is so nice. I love it. It's very comfortable. It's not like... It's very, very comfortable also. It's really nice. I love the heels. The heels are very comfortable walking. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a full picture, a full body with this shoe on with my boots. Let me put my trousers down. Yeah, this is so cool. This is really beautiful. So yeah, Team Fullest, this is it. Hope you all like this. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment box. I will leave the link for you guys. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doei.